This is a review for the wireless door chime kit from 1Byone. In the box you get a manual, you get the receiver, the door chime and a piece of sticky stuff to stick this onto your door with. It's really easy to set up. You take your door chime and insert the battery that comes with it into it. You take your receiver, you open up the back, it needs 2 AA batteries, they're not supplied so you'll need to get your own. You pop the batteries in and what you need to do is you press the chime once and then you press the receiver and then they're paired up and ready to go. Really easy. As you can see, the receiver is freestanding. You can also hook it onto a wall so you can put it wherever works best for you. On the receiver we've got a button at the top which allows you to change between the different melodies. There's a button here which allows you to adjust the volume, and then there's this little slider which allows you to decide how you're going to use your door chime. If we have it on the first of these, we get the noise only. If we have it on the second, we only get a flashing light. This is perfect if somebody's asleep in the house, if you've got a sleeping baby or dogs that are going to go insane when the doorbell goes off, that sort of thing. It's really useful for. And then if we put the third one on, we get both flashing light and noise, which is great. It's quite loud as well, as you've heard. That's actually the lowest setting. It does go up another 2 notches, so it can be really quite loud. I'm going to show you now some of the different chimes that you can have. There are quite a lot. So as you can see, there are a lot to choose from. There are quite a few seasonal ones there, lots and lots of Christmas ones, for example, so you can change it to suit your mood. It's really good. It's a decent piece of kit for the money. It's very lightweight. It's not that sturdy, but do you really need it to be? The chime itself is fine. It'd be nice and easy to attach to the door. That's quite lightweight, so it will get held on by the piece of sticky stuff that it comes with. And there's a space at the bottom where you can put a name or something like that if you want to. It's a decent door chime kit. Not bad at all for the price.